Alright, so here is my FL Sun QQ Pro in action. Just taking you guys along. Here is my SR Racer, printing a RC shock rebuild stand for a customer. Please like and subscribe. Now we go over to my Ender 3 Pro, upgraded Hardened to a direct drive, the Sprite direct drive. That's printing RC fan mounts. Here we got Anycubic Cobra. Ooh, filament. And here's the old TiVo Tornado, the big boy. I haven't really needed to use that one lately, so. And here we got my modded out Ender 3, the Sat Santa Hardened. I love that printer. Then we move on to, where are we going here? Over to my Ender 3 S1. This is printing PETG. And that's also doing a clear shock rebuild stand. Just showing you guys around the print lab in my 3D print room. There you go, Jersey 3D printing. Please like, subscribe, follow. We got memberships. There's all my designs I designed for the probe holder, hairspray holder, all holders for my tools. Also, this side holds my clippers, which I have like 5,000 pairs of. And then back to the QQ. Also, I had a probe holder I designed. And here I show another design, a filament holder. That thing is awesome. You can make it as big as you want and just keep adding pieces. They screw together. That thing is so handy. I love it. Here are little spare parts. I have parts, I mean, all over. I have parts on top of parts. I can never be down. So with that being said, there